Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So जैसे कि आप सबको मालूम रहेगा कि आज मार्केट ऑलमोस्ट डाउन बाय अराउंड 2 to 2.5% एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द decent I would say dip in the market that new traders or many of our new friends have observed recently. So if anyone is asking ki, why the market had crashed this and that, so this was already expected by us in the last week and मैंने इसके ऊपर एक already video भी share किया था on our channel. So if you have missed this video of market analysis, then in this video we were expecting a dip or correction in the market. So now अभी सब लोग worried, बहुत टेंशन में रहे कि अभी क्या करना चाहिए and because of this correction, should we sell, should we buy, what should be the course of action. So in this video we will discuss everything. And also if you have not subscribed to our channel, then you can subscribe to this channel, and also you can hit the like button and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get notified for all the videos that we upload in the future, and you don't miss some important videos as well that जैसे कि ये last week जो हमने upload किया था about the market correction that we were expecting. So one can cross check this video and one can check this again if you want. So let's start with the Nifty chart. So पहले I will open just intraday chart and just देख लेगा कि हम so जैसे कि market was down by one sided correction दिखा था 15 and उसके बाद एक V shape recovery भी आई market में. So this is normal sign कि थोड़ा recovery आता है. So this was again normal. So अभी अगर हम daily chart open करें, so this yellow line is 100 days EMA. So I will just go in the setting and ये 100 days का EMA है, and जो blue trend line है, this was the support line that we were expecting Nifty can touch this level soon, because जो है last week ही इसने breakdown दिया था and we were expecting this level to achieve. So अगर हम आज के सिनेरियो में अगर ये लेवल को देखें, so the level is at around 17,220 and जो निफ्टी का लो है it is 17,280. So hardly 60 points का difference है, not more than that. So एंड इसके बाद भी हमने डिसेंट रिकवरी भी देखा इन मार्केट. सो इफ एनीवन हैड, अगर हम निफ्टी को साइड में रखें एंड इफ वी सी सम क्वालिटी स्मॉल कैप, मिड कैप और माइक्रो कैप कंपनीज और इवन लार्ज कैप कंपनीज, सो दे हैव आल्सो करेक्टेड डिसेंटली. एंड जैसे कि बहुत लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स से मैं बता रहा हूँ कि सम ऑफ द क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स हैव इवन करेक्टेड बाय ऑलमोस्ट 50% in the last 2 months. So if you are investing in Nifty, so one can start like doing SIP in Nifty Bs or Nifty mutual funds. If you are looking for stocks, then go to the higher time frame stock, higher time frame like weekly or monthly, and वहाँ पे अगर देखो कि कोई stock support ले रहा है या फिर कोई stock breakout region को retest करता है, या फिर if there is anything positive about the chart, then go ahead and buy the company अगर fundamentals भी उसके अच्छे होने चाहिए उसके साथ. So one can check the entire playlist. जो I have discussed about many stocks here, and one can check everything. And if you want, you can share the stock names as well or the chart analysis, so that we can study the chart together. So this is about Nifty. अगर हम 100 days का EMA भी लगाए, so the 100 days EMA he had acted as a good support in the past. यहाँ पे एक support, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक support 100 days के EMA पे था, and then again it took a support here and यहाँ पे एक minor support लेके it again bounce back. So 100 days EMA is a crucial level for Nifty. So currently जो blue trend line है, जो 100 days का EMA, it is congruent, मतलब they are more or less the same. And जो निफ्टी का करंट, जो निफ्टी का लो था and जो ये लेवल है, उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ बड़ा गैप नहीं है. So I would suggest to, if anyone had missed a big rally in the past 1 year 7 months, या फिर they have missed rally the last 1 year, so one can start building their portfolio again with the quality stocks. And if you can't find any quality stocks, then you can start buying Nifty Bs, Bank Bs, Nifty Next 500, anything, so that your risk is diversified and there is less risk in your portfolio. So this is about Nifty. Now let's start with the Nifty Bank. So in Nifty Bank also the 100 days EMA is acting as a good support, and again this is a trend line. As of now जो आज का कैंडल का जो क्लोज है, it had closed below these two important support line. So until and unless if Bank Nifty closes about 37,300, which is above this level or above 100 days EMA, we can't expect any recovery in Bank Nifty. But if it closes above this on a daily basis, then we can expect a good upside move in Bank Nifty as well. So one can track Bank Nifty on that basis. I would suggest not to create any longs in Bank Nifty futures or in any other instruments in banking instruments until and unless if Bank Nifty closes above 37,300. Because below this we can expect some down move as well in Bank Nifty. And जो मेजर सपोर्ट अभी जो आ रहा है इसमें, so it is at around 30, जो भी यहाँ पे थोड़े माइनर सपोर्ट, it is at 36,000 level currently. So this can be a support level for Bank Nifty on the downside, which is 36,150. So for Bank Nifty, it is the view is slightly bearish, but coming to the Nifty, we can't say that the correction have ended, but we don't know when correction will end or when this downside will end. But one thing is for sure that if you want to build a portfolio, then abhi se one can start accumulating good stocks, so that अगर if this correction intensify थोड़ा down भी आता है, so one can add more stocks at the lower price instead of waiting for the final exact bottom or exact top, वो कभी होगा नहीं. So just accumulate slowly, because अगर हमें correction को as an opportunity भी देखें, so it is a good opportunity as well. So it's only thing कि perspective needs to be changed, and if you have around 100 rupees, then you can start deploying 10 rupees, जैसे कि 10% you can start deploying in the for your investment portfolio, and slowly you can build a portfolio. So this is about the market updates, and stay tuned with this channel, because more or less we will give every updates on this channel. And also, if you have not joined our Telegram channel and if you are not following us on Twitter, then you can do that as well, because we are giving you live market updates on the both the platforms as well. So this is about the today's video, and this is the Telegram and Twitter links. Using this, you can join our channel, and also there is a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.